Welcome back. Another way to make money from WhatsApp is to make money from WhatsApp Me as a network marketer. Okay, so even to date, network marketing still pays. It all depends on your strategies and your campaign. So let's head to learnandlearn.com, and we are discussing on how to make money from WhatsApp, various ways to make money from WhatsApp. So to discover all the ways, find time to go through this article, and here we are. Make money on WhatsApp as a network marketer. First, know that there are a lot of network marketing platforms out there, including MLM, multi-level marketing. But don't go for Ponzi scheme, double money system. Double money system is a scam. And I believe you will not like to scam your downlines, your families and friends who are trusting you on the niches, how to make money online. So all you need to do is for you to find out a reliable network marketer. Okay? Once you discover a reliable network marketer, verify if they are reliable and real. The next thing you need is for you to use WhatsApp marketing kits. Okay, you can use our application to do what? To generate thousands to millions of WhatsApp leads. And all you need to do is to request for your WhatsApp marketing promotional codes or referral codes. And believe me, the more you refer people or the more you sell products, okay, connected to the WhatsApp, connected to the network platform you are leveraging, the more money you will make. So everything boils down to you discovering a good network marketing platform and also using these tools to generate thousands to millions of WhatsApp leads and start sending WhatsApp blasts in bulks to them on a daily basis. Okay. Apart from that, you can also order the WhatsApp bot sender with WhatsApp marketing team and learn the core WhatsApp marketing class. Okay, so that is it on how to make money from WhatsApp using network markets. Okay, so for any questions, just head to Learn and click on contact us. You can write to us and we will answer your question as soon as possible. You can continue reading and watching, and most importantly, make sure you download the ebook that comes with this nugget, how to make money from WhatsApp. I remember I always said I'm going to here on learnandlearn.com.